Well, we are going fishing down on the Cumberland. We'll hook up with old Rocky Rock and have a lot of fun. We'll bring our fishing poles, put on our fishing vests, and all we do is catch the fish, and Rocky does the rest. We started going down the river with just a few of us, and every year we add some more. Next year we'll need a bus to haul all our belongings and the things we'll never use. And Themey always comes along just to keep all us amused. We'll designate the cooking to our good old buddy Charles. He'll clean and cook our dinner on the fire under the stars. We'll have some fun and carry on, drink liquor from a jar, while Zoomer and Caruso sing and pick on their guitars. Each year there is adventure, every dollar you can bet. Some of us will break down while others just
Nice
get
fish
wet.
though, man.
And as long as we're getting right, come along, one thing you'll find, we'll never, never, ever leave the river rat behind. Now that there was the story of the river rats. We float on down the river with our matching hats. Now you bring along some kitty, but don't you bring no cats. After all, we are called the Cumberland River Rats.